Welcome back, guys. Today we ain't gonna do too much talking. We don't have that much daylight, so we gonna be installing the interior on my Accord. So this is what we got. Alright guys, this is the unboxing. By the way, this is, I had it for a couple minutes, so bear with me, bro. It's kind of fucked up. I know the box got fucked up, but listen, this is what we got in here. So by the way, guys, this is how the interior is gonna look like. It's going to be diamond prints in the middle with the red stitching and red on this whole side. This is the back of the front seat. So it has this compartment of store stuff on the bottom, like right here in the back. And there's the front. So the whole car is gonna be in this thing type of model. Front, rear, back, everything. So this is what we're gonna be installing. It comes with some clips, as you guys see, like right here. I don't know why it's not concentrating, but it comes with some clips and a pick, so you don't mess up your car, and instructions on how to do it. Normally we don't read the instructions, but if you want, you can pause it and see what it is, right there. So it's simple instructions on how to install it, literally, and how to remove your stuff from your car. What do you need to do, just in case you don't know how to do it, you don't have to worry about it. It comes with instructions. It's simple. Let's show you my interior currently. Put this stand, see. This is my interior currently. This is the interior that it is now. As you see, they fresh. There's no, this is dust. Well, that's the sunlight. But this is fresh. See, there's no. By the way, guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and make sure you subscribe, man. Know that I changed the YouTube channel. It was custom wheels, now it's very classic. I kind of decided to match it up with my Instagram, so it won't be two different names. And more videos is coming. By the way, this interior is getting done, and more to the car, because we're going to a car show on next month on the 30th. So I will be putting the flyer up if I don't forget. So by the way, follow me on my Instagram. That is the same name as YouTube. Don't forget to do that. So I actually went to the garage to get the seats covered. This is actually, by the way, this is the cheapest way to do this. There's other ways as you can pay people and they can actually take these off and change the color of them. But I personally don't like too much colors on my car. I prefer to stay neutral with colors. Oh, by the way, make sure you don't have anything on the back, like on the back pouch, like this pouch, because unfortunately you're not going to be able to get it unless you remove this whole shit again. So make sure you clear the back and clean the car out. And then when we come to look, unfortunately, had a sock and it's some zip ties. Socks and a zip tie. That would have been in my. And then, by the way, if you leave this in there, like stuff like this, like it's just gonna make like a ball, and you're gonna see it. It's gonna be like a print. No homo. It's not gonna be moving around. None of that. That's a good part. By the way, if you guys wonder what I'm doing, go to the back. So I found it super easy to move the seat all the way forward. So I have enough room here. So this is what I have. So this is the rear. Like I said, if the bottom piece is down here, this like this, just in your way. Just fold it in there on the factory. And just leave it like that. This is what I have. So this goes on there. So that's exactly how the factory does. That's the good part. Little things like it fits super tight in there. I will be showing you the front now in a second. Actually, you know what? I have to go to the front anyway, so. Even though you're gonna have some assholes that are always gonna come up, well, that doesn't look right, why did you put covers? Like, you know, fuck them niggas. Fuck them. To be honest, there's a big difference in price. This is way cheaper than actually getting your seats done, like removing the factory leather and putting good leather. But I honestly see, you know, to me it's perfect. Cause tell them what you're doing. You want to tell them? Tell them. You cold? Tell them what you're doing. You don't want to tell him? You want to tell him? No. You told you too cold? Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Turn on your notifications. Alright guys, we're getting to the end of the video. It's already night. It's dark as shit. Oh, finally. Finally done with this interior. Well, with the seats. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe, guys.
No thought, I get you hit up, no pop. Come to your block and set up shop. I got the streets on lock. I cannot love no thought. Can't fucking no hoe, that's basic. I used to run up chase and really break it. I told that bitch just taste it. Look at my face and tell me it's amazing. Hey, when my time get wasted. Off-white belt, off-white laces, and I know these niggas hate me. Ask your bitch, she say I'm a favorite. Pass me the citchy. You know this shit can get tricky. Look, I catch a blicky, yeah.